Education experts and parents raise alarms over proposal to abolish National Common Entrance Examination. The federal government's consideration of scrapping the National Common Entrance Examination (NCEE) for admission into federal unity colleges has sparked significant debate among stakeholders in the education sector. Proponents of the change argues that the examination creates unnecessary pressure on young children and that a more continuous assessment-based approach could be more effective. However, critics express deep concerns regarding the potential for meritocracy to be undermined. Many parents and educators fear that removing a standardized national test will lead to lack of transparency, increased corruption in education process, and a decline in academic standards. There are also worries that without a uniform examination, the quality of students admitted into unity schools may become inconsistent, further weakening the public education system. Stakeholders are calling for a thorough review and wide consultation before any final decision is implemented. Industry leaders calls for educational reforms to tackle Nigerians' labor shortage. The Nigerian Association of Chambers of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture (NACCIMA), along with various technical education stakeholders, is advocating for urgent reforms to address a significant shortage of skilled labor in Nigeria. During a current summit in Lagos, experts warned that the current gap in technical and vocational skills, such as carpentry, tiling, and masonry, is forcing construction and industrial sectors to rely on foreign workers from neighboring countries like Ghana. The core of the issues lies in a disconnect between the curriculum of training institutions and the actual need of the industry. Stakeholders urge for Nigeria to reach its goal of $1 trillion economy by 2030. The private sector must take a lead role in shaping educational programs. They proposed a shift towards a competency-based training and stronger public-private partnerships to ensure that graduates possess practical, employable skills rather than just academic certificates. Experts also caution that failing to equip the growing youth population with these technical skills could turn Nigerians' demographic growth into socio-economic burden. Tuji Alausa named Innovative Minister of the Year for Education Reforms. The Minister of Education, Tuji Alausa, has been honored as the Innovative Minister of the Year at the Independent Newspaper Silver Jubilee Awards. This recognition follows a rigorous 12-week selection process involving public voting and editorial review. Alausa was cited for his transformative leadership under the Nigeria Education Sector Renewal Initiative, which prioritizes access, quality, and governance within the country's learning systems. Specific achievements attributed to his tenure include the launch of the Nigerian Education Data Infrastructure for better accountability and the implementation of an 80-20 practical to history model in vocational education. He was also praised for stabilizing the academic calendar through formal agreements with university unions.